I call the Honourable Member Kamaljeet Singh Bakshi. Sat Sri Akal.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity to speak on Companies and Limited Partnership Amendment Bill. The Companies and Limited Partnership Amendment Bill proposes significant changes to both the Companies Act 1993 and the Limited Partnership Act 2008 to strengthen the rules and applying to the governance and registration of the companies and the registrations of the limited partnerships. Of course, the larger aim is to protect New Zealand's interest and ensure that it remains a trusted place to conduct businesses. The bill will promote investors' confidence and participation in our capital market. The government is introducing measures to tighten the requirement around the company's registration and resident directors' requirement, such as ensuring for every company and limited partnership that there is at least one person who lives in New Zealand who is legally responsible for the entity and administration. This resident agent will be responsible for providing the company's office with accurate information. In case accurate information is not provided, then the agent stands liable for breaching the records and breaching the record-keeping and filing requirement under the Companies Act. This bill, Mr. Speaker, empowers the registrar of the companies with investigative authority in order to deal with non-compliance with the Companies Act. The bill also introduces criminal offences for the directors who commit serious breach of their duties so as to lead to the significant losses to the company's creditors. Directors who commit such offences are liable for imprisonment of up to 5 years and fine up to $200,000. The registrar will be granted enhanced investigative and removal powers to take action where there is any concern that for a company or a limited partnership is not being used for a legitimate business purpose. Mr. Speaker, it is not surprise that such a law is being enacted by the national government because we believe providing such confidence to the financial sector. I commend this bill to the House.
I call the Honourable Shane Jones. Tenakwe, Mr. Jones.
Sir, we rise to support